Hey, what's up? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create sticky add to cart to your Shopify store without any app. So this is sticky add to cart bar. This is product image. This is product title, price, these badges, variant selector, drop down and add to cart with nice icon. So when this product buttons buy buttons is in the viewport, then this sticky bar hides, and when out of the viewport, then this slides up from bottom. So these are the steps that we will follow to add Shopify sticky add to cart without any app. I will publish into my website abidshopifydev.com/sticky add to cart tutorial. Currently it is not published. I will publish and you can view and read this article step by step how to add sticky add to cart bar without any app. So let's get started. It increases your Shopify store's revenue. Step number 1, create snippet sticky add to cart .liquid. Go to online store, themes, edit code. Create a new snippet name sticky add to cart .liquid. Create a new snippet, right click, new file, sticky add to cart .liquid, press enter and copy this code. I will explain step by step later. Paste here, click save. This is CSS file, the CSS of sticky add to cart bar. Next, liquid inventory check. This is product badge. This is inventory check. If inventory is lower than 5 or 5, then this red bar will show. Currently it is not shown. This one, only one left. Copy here and paste here. I will explain this step by step. Save here. Then the HTML, copy here, paste. So this is CSS, this is for inventory check, and this is HTML of sticky bar. Finally JavaScript, I will explain later. Copy and paste here. Click save. Step number 2, create snippet sticky add to cart variant picker .liquid. So this is sticky add to cart variant picker. Copy this code and create a new snippet sticky add to cart variant picker. Right click, create new file, sticky add to cart variant picker .liquid. Press enter and paste this code, sticky add to cart variant picker. Copy and paste here. Sticky add to cart variant picker. Basically it is rendered here, sticky add to cart variant picker. This snippet I will explain all code step by step later in this video. Step number 3, if you want to add buy button icon, add to cart button icon, bag icon, then this is step number 3, add bag icon to buy buttons. Open snippet buy-buttons.liquid file. Command P on Mac and Control P in Windows. buy-buttons.liquid, press enter and copy this ID. This is add to cart button. Copy this code and select this button, and you can comment and paste the copied code. This is button add to cart and this is bag icon. It increases your conversion rate with icon. Step number 4, render the snippet in theme.liquid. Go to theme.liquid, press Control P in Mac and Control P in Windows and Command P in Mac. Theme.liquid. You can also search in layout folder theme.liquid. Click here and search main. This is main code. Copy this. You can comment and paste this one. Save here. Step number 5, open product info.js. I will also explain product-info.js. And copy this function method of class. Search handle update product info, press enter. This is the function. Create a custom function handle update sticky add to cart and call here handle update sticky add to cart, pass variant. You can copy this code and remove this one and paste here handle update sticky add to cart. Call it inside handle update product info function. Here handle update sticky add to cart and pass variant, this updated variant. I will also explain this step by step. Click save. We have completed this step also. Now we will test this. Preview. Click 3 dots and hide. Click on any product. For example, the Fred Perry shirt white, and you can see sticky add to cart. Currently it's not looking good because the CSS is not complete here. This is my test development store. I will add complete CSS here, and so you can copy complete CSS. Copy this entire CSS and remove the old one. Paste here, click save, refresh. Yeah, now the sticky add to cart with correct CSS is shown, and when into the viewport then it hides, it show. When for example large size variant added to the cart, then correct variant is added. And remember, it also work on 2 or 3 variants For example, color, size, material. For example, click on this product, I think, yeah. Let me clear my cart slash clear. So let me add 14 and good, add to cart. Yeah, 14 and good is added to the cart with color, this color. For example, select this 10 and premium, add to cart. Yeah, premium 10 is added to the cart. You can change this layout with CSS. Now let me explain this code step by step. This is sticky inventory variable. This is used here. It loops through each variant of product, and if the variant is available, then store its inventory into sticky inventory variable, and the variable is used here. If the sticky inventory is not nil and it is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 5, you can change threshold here, for example 3. Then this badge show here, for example white F, inventory is 4. Change inventory, for example 4. Basically it checks first available variant, and if the variant is less than 5, then this stock alert badge will show. Refresh. Yeah, only 4 left. This is the code for product image. This product image. This is for product title, and this is for price. This is price snippet built-in DOM theme, and if the product is available, then these badges are shown. These are the badges, and this is for sticky add to cart variant picker, sticky add to cart variant picker, and this is for buy buttons. This is add to cart buy button, and when we go into sticky add to cart variant picker, then this is the code for sticky add to cart variant picker. It skip color. You can also add color by remove this line of code, but I have removed color option. Go to sticky add to cart. This is JavaScript. This code is for intersection observer. It observes these buy buttons, and if the buy buttons are in the viewport, then sticky add to cart hide, and if out of the viewport, then it shows. And this is the code for variant sync. For example, when we click large, then here large also clicked. Excel, so it is synced with main product variants, so the correct variant are added to the cart. and product info.js. We have added update sticky, add to cart. This code, this is tracked current variant. For example, when we click M, then this method call handle update product info. When this method call, then this dot handle update sticky add to cart method also call with, and it passes variant. Basically it sync this ID with the sticky add to cart hidden ID. For example, this ID. When we click small, then this variant ID change, it also change here. So this is the code which is responsible, and this is the code to change. For example, when we change Excel in main add to cart, then Excel also update here, small access. If this saved you some money, drop a like, comment and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. The full written tutorial with all the code is linked below. See you in the next one. Thank you.